In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Qdrant to n8n. So open up n8n and log into your n8n account. Once I've logged in here, so click on this create workflow option on your top right there, and then it will open up a new workspace here. So now, once this has been created, so what we're going to do, click on add first step, and then in the search bar here, type in Qdrant. Okay, and from here, you can select the Qdrant vector store. Select it, click on it, and then the actions, you can choose what you want to do with this. So for example, like get ranked documents, we'll just choose that. Okay, and then do that, and then here you go to connect with your credentials to your Qdrant. So click create new credentials, so click on it, and then here you need the API key and URL of your Qdrant account, so get that from your Qdrant and then plug it in here, and once you're done with that, hit on save. Okay, and once that's done, what you're going to do next, you're going to choose the operation mode. In this case, it's get many, and then see from the list, and then configure all these prompt and limits. So based on the action that you're going to set it up, you just have to fill in these informations here. And once you've done with that, you're going to click on execute step. Okay, and once that's done, click on back to canvas, and now your account has now been connected. So you can test it by clicking on execute workflow, and that's basically pretty much it is.